Imagine wearing clothes that clean themselves. No magic, just nanotechnology stitched right into the threads. Nano-Fabric is built with structures so tiny, you'd need a powerful electron microscope to see them. But these nanoscale tweaks can make your clothes repel stains, fight bacteria, and stay fresh way longer.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
The superstar here is the lotus effect. In nature, lotus leaves stay spotless because microscopic bumps trap air, making water roll right off and take dirt with it. Scientists recreated this using nanostructures, first described in detail by Barthlott and Neinhuis back in 1997. Water contact angles above 150 degrees mean droplets don't just sit there, they bounce. That's why a spilled coffee bead on Nano-Fabric looks like it's trying to escape. But Nano-Fabric can do more than reject your lunch stains. Some versions use silver nanoparticles that release ions to kill bacteria. Research, like Ryan colleagues in Biotechnology Advances, shows how these ions break bacterial membranes and stop them from multiplying. The result? Odor-resistant gym where that doesn't smell like victory after one workout. Some fabrics even clean themselves using sunlight. Titanium dioxide nanocoatings generate reactive radicals under UV, breaking down organic grime. This photocatalytic trick was explored by Fujishima and others in early 2000s photochemistry studies. But nanofabrics aren't invincible. Some coatings can wash off over time, and long-term safety, especially for free nanoparticles, requires strict regulation. The EU Scientific Committee on Consumer Safety has raised questions about nanosilver durability and environmental impact. Still, nanotech in textiles keeps advancing. Newer methods bind particles more tightly or engineer the fibers themselves so the nanostructures are permanent. Soon, we might see everyday clothes that stay fresh for days, medical fabrics that reduce infections, or outdoor gear that shrugs off mud. You might not notice the nanotech, but your laundry basket definitely will. Nanofabrics show how small-scale engineering can have big, practical impacts on everyday life. We're literally weaving nanoscience into what we wear. So next time your shirt survives a spill, thank the tiny nanostructures doing all the hard work. What future clothing tech do you want to see? Let me know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.